Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to learn about the having clause. Let's now take an example. So in this example we can see we have selected two columns, the name and another a function count, which we covered in previous lectures. So now let's run the query. We got our result. But now what if I want only those rows in which the number of times is greater than 5? Can we do that with the where clause? Can we add this condition in the where clause? Let's add the condition and check. Now let's run the query. So here we got the error stating that group function is not allowed here. What does that mean is we cannot use any group function with the where clause. So now where should we use the group function then? So we have a clause having in which we can use the group function. Remove it from here and let's run the query. So here we can see the query ran perfectly fine without any error, and here we can see that the number of times is always greater than 5. We can check it by segregating them. So this is starting from 6, then 7, 8. So they are all greater than 5. Now can we use the alias name instead of count star? Because we know that the control hasn't been reached to the select yet. Still we can try and we can check this. So no, we cannot use the alias name in the having clause. This is wrong, but there is one more thing we had to keep in mind, that we must use group by function with the having clause. We cannot use having without the group by, because the having is applied on the groups where the where clause is applied on single rows. So to use having we must have the group by. And there is one more thing, that we can use count with having. We can use count star in having without being worried about the presence of count in select statement. So we can run this query, and so we can now run this query and it will run fine even though we haven't used the count function in the select statement. So it doesn't matter. Actually this is a calculation only, so we don't need this count in the select statement. Okay, so I will cover all these in the notes attached below. Please find notes. And we can see that if we got any error, there is a bonus. If you got any error in the SQL, for example the ORA 920, you can simply search it. You can copy the code, then you can go to your browser. Here you can paste the code and you will get the site. This is Tech on the Net. I prefer this site because this is simple to understand, and here you can understand the error message, what is the cause of the message and how to resolve the error. However, if you want a more authentic way to know the error, you can always refer to the Oracle documentation. However, this is more tough to understand. This is not that simple, but if you want more authentic solution, you can always refer to the Oracle documentation. Thank you.